Welcome to ECTV Tries, where things tend to get a little wacky and wild. I'm Logan.
I'm Sal.
I'm Aidan.
And I'm Mitchell.
Although we don't know what today's task is, we have been given a hint.
The hint is, do you remember your old school ways? What do you guys think it's going to be?
I don't know, I'm torn because I feel like that could either be old school as in like elementary school, middle school, or old school as in like the olden days, like the 80s or the 70s.
Are you going to talk in like the transatlantic radio accent the whole episode?
The Jimmy Stewart accent? I don't know if I could do that one. You go.
Yeah,
that's all you.
I volunteer, Mitchell. It's your turn for the transatlantic accent.
I don't even know what that is.
This guy. Well, I think it's time that we look at the task.
You will be participating in a field day. In 2 teams of 2, you two will go against each other in several games. Good luck.
I don't know. I think I'll go with Logan. If you guys want to pair up and
I'm stuck with Mitchell. Come on. That's ridiculous.
Mitchell. What? Oh, sorry. Now that we know our task, we'll be right back and get started.
We are back, and for our first field day activity, it's going to be something kind of familiar for us, I'd say. We're going to be taking Cheez-Its and putting them at the top of our heads and trying to get them in our mouths. The first person to get 3 successfully is going to win it for their team. So say Logan gets 2, I get 1. It won't count until one of us has 3. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, ready?
I'm ready.
I'll tell you when to go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Alright, ready, set, go!
Well, you need a hit.
I saved mine. Oh.
1 for Aidan.
Oh, good job.
Oh, that might be the meta.
I got one.
Good job, 1 for Logan.
All right. Oh,
Wait, I'm at 2. Hold on.
Oh! How are you getting that?
I'm attacking.
oh my,
Dude.
Dude.
Oh, sorry about that.
that's all right.
What if I have an impressive catch?
Oh my god, I'm so bad at this.
All right, Mom.
1. Oh.
I got 2.
All right, come on, Logan, come on.
All right, I got locked in here.
Oh, 3.
Was that 3?
Oh!
That's it.
Good work!
Well, I got 3.
I think this
Don't
covered in
matter,
cheese
but
now.
Very close.
My mouth is so dry.
Okay, sorry.
Oh yeah. So, I'm sorry, I have Cheez-It in my mouth. For our next one, we'll be putting whipped cream on our wrist and we'll be like popping it up. Is it 3 again?
Yeah.
Okay, so same rules. That's about it.
Thank you.
Oh my god, it's all over my shirt.
All right, I personally have never done this. I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm a little nervous. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, before we start, can I request somebody go get napkins? Because
I have them on the side.
perfect,
I'm ready.
perfect.
Alright.
This is gonna be messy for sure.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, got it. Dude, mine was.
What do I do with this now?
You got 3?
So I catch.
One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
Dude, it's all over my shirt.
Somehow I got unscathed on my shirt. Oh no, I did not.
Oh my
We don't
god.
need napkins, we can clean up instead of space.
You have a pretty bad.
It's all
Bro,
over
I
your neck,
lost
too.
mine in
It's
the
on my
lines.
neck? Yes, it's like right.
Can I
Bro,
get more
there's no
napkins?
way.
Thank you.
It's down in your shirt.
Oh,
It's on my
I'll
shirt.
take a lot.
Would Aidan be mad if we had an egg fight in here?
Probably. We're just pelting eggs against the walls. Dude, I have Cheez-It salt on my head. Come on, buddy, you got this.
That's our baby, Mitchell. You gotta keep that thing
baby.
safe. Yeah.
Oh.
Give him a name.
We're ready? Alright,
Roger.
ready?
Jonah?
Set,
Jonah. It's terrible.
Go.
Watch out for that massive
I was
pile
gonna say,
of
don't
whipped
slip on
cream.
the
Yeah.
whipped cream. Slow and steady, bro.
Let's go.
Are these
Okay.
jumbo eggs?
They are.
Nice.
Nice.
Wait, mine already has a crack in it.
Okay, well, it's not on the floor.
Is there any sort of speed element to this
I'll
challenge?
tell you one.
Okay.
I'll yell.
But like, it's not like a race in any way.
Oh.
Last man standing. Take your
Okay.
time,
Okay.
but I might tell you to go faster.
What if we don't go faster?
Just
And you solve it.
Okay.
Speaking of, go faster.
shaking, bro. I'm shaking.
Faster.
Oh.
You're getting dangerously close to that whipped cream. It makes me nervous every time.
Alright, faster. You have 5 seconds to reach the next line.
Brother.
Again. Again.
Oh shoot. Mine's stuck.
Alright, we're doing 1 foot. Jump, go.
Oh no!
Oh.
Oh.
First one to the next line wins.
Oh!
Yes!
Is this our starting line over here, I guess?
Yes, you're doing the same thing.
Okay.
Be ready for faster. If I think you're not going faster,
Oh,
you're out.
I'm so ready. Oh my god.
You
I'm
ready?
shaking.
It's the optimal position.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, baby.
Kind of want to
What's
drop
our
it even
egg's
more
name,
now.
Sal? Reginald.
Vito Jr.
Vito Jr. Catching, not pitching.
Speed it up a little bit.
Oh, I just stepped on a Cheez-It. Gosh
faster.
dang it.
I feel like we should get points for how far ahead Logan
Yeah, I'm low-key
is.
cooking right now, yo.
1, 2, 3, 4, go. 1, 2, 3, 1 foot, go.
I'm low-key
Keep going,
goaded.
keep going.
Oh, shoot.
Go faster, keep going.
Backwards.
Alright, next one to the line, Liz.
Easy, yo.
Oh.
You're gonna throw us up and catch it?
We get extra points.
Yeah,
We get
yeah.
extra
No,
points.
yeah, they lose a point for that.
Yeah. Got it.
You're gonna start.
Let me.
You're gonna start.
Okay, we're good. This one's not cracked
No, I
already.
understand that you're. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Are we good up there?
So wait, you step back when you catch it or throw it?
What if you catch it, take a step back.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
All right.
Just drop it.
Set,
Sure.
Or do you want me to toss
go.
I don't care either way. All right.
Well, you
Take-
step back,
take
step
a
back.
step
Catch
back.
it, take a step back.
I'm ready.
Yeah, wait,
I'm
I'm doing the math.
Give me some height.
I, oh, that was
Not that much height.
Okay,
Dude, there's so much
When you
Cheez-It.
get to the
nice.
when you get to the line, stop. So that you two stop.
Okay. It's wet.
Catch it! Yes!
He caught it! He caught it!
No!
No, it cracked though, it
Bro,
cracked.
throw it
Nah,
back.
nah,
Throw
nah.
it back. Keep it going.
Okay, throw it, throw it.
Throw it. See what
Right.
happens.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I gotta
Are
start
you
ready.
ready?
Okay.
Oh! Ewy!
I got it.
Here, yeah.
I'm open, I'm open. Oh my god.
Okay, I
That does. Oh,
Yeah,
that's
grab that
over.
one. Here. Are you throwing or are you catching the marshmallows in your mouth?
Should we go this way?
Who's catching in their mouth?
Okay.
Which side?
So how
We're
does
gonna
this?
do the same thing. You guys start here. They're gonna stay there. You guys
Oh.
stay on that line.
Oh,
okay.
And I'm gonna make sure you guys can. Actually, other way around.
I think it'll be easier if I like pong it.
All right,
Step
start
right
with.
I'm gonna throw these shoes away.
I'll do whatever you want. I'm just saying.
Let's start with underhand.
Underhand?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll.
I
Start.
just-
in my face,
off the
bro.
Yeah.
So,
We must win.
Yeah, we gotta lock down the
Open-
Thunderdome.
okay,
Open
okay,
wide,
go.
big boy.
ready, set,
Oh,
go.
underhand.
See? See?
Oh, that's huge.
Level flow.
You got it now.
Spit it out.
All
Spit it
right,
out.
open
Spit it
that
out. Give me another one.
One more. Come on. You're eating it. Oh, sure.
That was really good.
Wow,
You
they
got it,
won?
you got it.
No way.
Catching, not pitching. This guy. Oh, I have cookie in my mouth.
I'm not talking.
I have cookie in my mouth.
I'm not. It's your line.
Just say it.
But then I'm gonna. My line's gonna be messed up.
Give me a acceptance speech.
Oh, an acceptance speech. Okay.
Mhm.
Here, you guys want to move up, or stay back
lost.
there? Okay.
lost,
All right.
yeah.
All right. Well, that's about it for this episode. Logan and I were the field day champions. Good try, boys. maybe next year we could run it back.
I'm
But
not
yeah,
gonna be here.
that's true. Hey, you can always come back. All right, that's it for this episode of ECTV Tries. I'm Sal.
I'm Logan.
I'm Aidan.
I'm Mitchell. And thanks for watching ECTV Tries. Do we try that again?
It's fine.